Oh, don't cry. Okay, tawagin mo na nga police, Mima. Tawagin mo na yung police.
Hello, sir. This is 911 emergency.
Oh, sagutin mo.
Okay, sir. I will transfer you to the Children Police Station. Just hold on.
There's a baby here.
Sir, this is the Children Police Station. What is the problem?
And the problem is our child is very naughty.
Okay, sir. Can I have the name and the age, please?
His name is Noah Cristoferi, and he's 3 years old. Yes, he's crying right now.
Is he still doing naughty stuff?
Yes, very naughty, sir.
Sir, if he didn't stop, I will send an officer to him.
Okay, sir, send right now.
He didn't stop, sir?
Yes, still crying.
Okay, I'm afraid that I will have to send an officer for him.
Okay, sir.
Children prison.
Okay, sir.
There is an officer on his way to you.
Okay. Okay, copy, sir.
Stop.
Okay, he's still crying. He's still crying, sir.
Oh, stop crying na. Okay. Oh,
Okay, sir.
okay, bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Okay, wala na. Okay, wala na. Stop na, okay. Stop crying. Stop jumping. Stop jumping, okay? Okay? Kinalat mo, yan oh. Kalat mo lahat yan. Kinalat mo lahat yan. Oh. Stop jumping na, ha? Okay, behave na. Para hindi na kami tatawag ng pulis. Behave na, okay? Promise? What will you say? Okay. Oh, hug mo na si Mima. Mag-sorry ka.
Sorry, Mommy. I'll do it again. Oh, you will do it again? No. I won't
Do it again.
I won't do it again.
Oh, stop
Okay.
jumping, okay?
No more jumping. No more jumping, ah.
Oh, baka mapilayan ka. Matama pa yung ulo mo dyan. Huwag na. Ha? Oh, yung sipon mo. Okay, para di na kami tatawag ng pulis, okay?
Okay.
What will you say?
Sorry, I'll do it again, Daddy.
Okay.
Sorry.